Let's start with next. The RPM is showing in the top bar, so we can see how much that goes up, and it's currently at 1,980. Interesting. It literally didn't go above the set speed. It drops below, but it doesn't go above, and obviously no change in the sound. Exactly the same from this side. A bit of volume increase as we get closer, but the head speed doesn't go single RPM over the set value. Oh well, no good for overspeeds then. We'll try Heli-X next. Head speed is on the bottom right and is currently at about 2040. Okay, so it seems to go briefly up to 2400, but it loses it almost immediately. Let's try from the side. The sound changes to reflect the overspeed, which is good, but the overspeed doesn't last anywhere near as long as it should. Sort of okay, but not great. On to RealFlight. The head speed is shown in the nav guide and is around 1950. It briefly went up to 2700 and decays at a much more reasonable pace than Heli-X. It's a bit of tail shake as well, which is good. Not bad. The sound could be better, but probably good enough for practicing. It's the closest so far to being a proper overspeed, and you might be able to play with the sound levels to get more blade noise. Oh, that one seemed about the best with the sound and decay. Accuracy is the last one we'll look at. Current head speed is on the top right and is around 2050. It very briefly went up to 2700 and there was a nice audio change. Not bad, let's try from the side. It definitely overspeeds, but it decays too quickly for a 700. One more. Yeah, same again. Good overspeed, decent sound, but it bleeds off too quickly. So overall, I thought RealFlight was the most realistic, followed by Accuracy and Heli-X, and a big 0 for next. The sims are certainly good enough to get the basics of overspeed, but it makes it more difficult not knowing where the ground is. If any of you are running VR, can you let me know in the comments if it's much easier or better? Until next time.